Hi everybody, guess what? Look where we are. That's right, we are here at Chatman Tides Motel here in Chatham/Harwich, Massachusetts on Cape Cod. The first thing is to see here is we're getting a very, very nice view of the ocean itself. This is what the motel looks like. If you look down there, you can see the reception. However, there is no parking during hours at the reception, which is the office right there. Today we are here in room 21, which is at the Chatman Tides Motel. So for that being said, let's go ahead and check out the property. As you enter, you are welcomed with a full kitchen and living room. The first thing is we will take a look at this bedroom first. This right here is a really, really small bedroom. Look in the mirror. Hey there. The first thing is we have a very, very comfortable bed with the Chatman Tides pillow and also the anchor, which is the wheel. Here we have a little dresser with your QB time alarm clock. And over here is you get a really, really nice view of the ocean and the gravel parking lot. Here we have a standard nightstand with a complete drawer space. Now coming out is we have a full area itself. The first thing is we have here is we have north, south, east, and west magnet, which is really, really nice. We have 2 chairs and a lamp. Here's a pull-out sofa with anchors on the wall. You have a Samsung flat screen TV with your anchor alarm clock. Very nice. We will check out the upstairs here in just a minute. So the reason is we're staying here at the Chatman Tides. This is what a town has to look like. So you get a really, really nice kitchen itself. Here we have a whirlpool, fridge and freezer. Here's the fridge and the freezer. You have I'm not sure what microwave this is, but I believe this is a Amanda microwave. See, this is inside the microwave. You have your Amanda stove, sink. You have a Keurig coffee maker and your Amanda dishwasher. There's a fire extinguisher. And this is the downstairs main bathroom. Here's another magnet. The commode is a Project Source toilet. There's your sink. Hey there. Here we have a couple of lights. And here's a view. So now, we will check out the upstairs part. But first thing is we have trash cans and we have a hot water heater. Now let's go on upstairs and take a look at the master bedroom and the sleeping part. This is what a townhouse looks like when you are going on vacation. But this is really, really nice. So here is the sleeping part. We have a huge double bed itself. It's very, very firm. This is one big bed. We have another set of the Chatman Tides pillows. Another nightstand with your alarm clock. And here's a nice view out the window. You can see this is looking out into some homes right there. Here we have your standard open closet. We have another closet with towels. And this right here is your Daikin air conditioning. Here we have a dresser. This is an old school dresser with your Sansui flat screen TV. We have a couple of chairs. And also check this out. That's right. We have a very, very nice balcony. This is looking out into the whole ocean itself. And out here is we have a table with chairs, so that way you'll be able to like sit and enjoy a wonderful relaxation. Let's get a still picture of this whole ocean itself. This is a very, very nice place to be at. And this is looking down into the open couches. And there is a fire pit right there. And also is we have a barbecue grill. So yeah, this is a very nice place. So when you go out like this, always make sure you give thanks to Cape Cod for letting us stay here onto the wonderful, wonderful part of the ocean. And we got this, so one more thing is we have another standard bathroom. Try to find the light switch. Oh, that's the fan. Here's the light. Hey there. There's your sink. Again, we have the same toilet. It's a project source. And here we have the shower. This is your standard hotel shower with Siemens controls. And we have, this is a Delta shower head. So yeah, a very, very nice place to be on Cape Cod. Let's get one more look at this room. This is a very nice place. And I guess we'll end the video right here at this view. So I hope everybody enjoys a wonderful, wonderful tour of the Chatman Tides on Cape Cod. So that's all I need to say. Peace out, folks.